I'm sorry, excuse me? What? Oh, Kiki. Challenge accepted. So, I have been called out by none other than Kiki Soto herself on Urban Girl Gardening. And it is time to see how I, TCB, take care of business. We've been gone for a few days, and this garden looks like it. So come with me while we take care of some business. First things first, let's harvest a little bit. I've been harvesting these cucumbers on the young side because it's so hot that they've been getting bitter. So I'd rather have small cucumbers as opposed to bitter cucumbers. These guys have become my favorite this year. Sunrise Bumble from Baker Creek. This is a white variety of tomato, but clearly it's got eaten before I could get to it. Ew, this one got rotten. Let's get rid of that. Gross. These poor zinnias They need some attention. Somebody should have been deadheading these, but somebody was remiss in their duties. That somebody is me. Now they look a hot mess and need to get dealt with. After all, this is Takesha's age-free beauty zone, not ugly and raggedy zone. Girl, you need some help. This baby girl needs a makeover. Now she's beautiful. We love her. She's beautiful. We love her. Even though she's aging a bit, still beautiful, like us. But down here, this is just unacceptable. Ragged, ratchet, nastiness. Come on, girl, get it together. So we got a few beautiful zinnias for the table. And while this is a really harsh prune, you'll see in a few weeks that she needed it. She'll be back in business and the centerpiece of our garden before we know it. Everyday life of OCDish chick, a fabulous woman from the Maryland area where I was born and raised. Let's see how you, TCB. Homestead in the hood. Just started watching your channel not too long ago. Let's see how you, TCB. Let's call some fellas down to the yard. Calling you on the carpet, Chainbreaker's Garden. Let me see what you got. How do you take care of business? The Bestyet Journey. Let's see how you guys take care of business. And last but not least, Veggie Pharm Garden. Let's see how you take care of business. Thank you so much, Kiki, for including me on this fantastic challenge. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching me take care of business. Have a good day, you guys. Happy gardening.